Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, reels and millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. It's typical of the Boulder Opal where the opals come into the seam and just stop flowing in. So you end up with this void. Second piece is similar, except it's got a bit of nice colour down the bottom there, electric greens. It's hard, so it should polish up good if you want to do that with it. Interesting patterns on the back of the stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.